In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert images in Figma, a powerful tool loved by designers worldwide for its versatility and ease of use. Whether you're working on a personal project or a team collaboration, knowing how to effectively place images in your Figma designs is an essential skill that can enhance your creative workflows. So without further ado, let's dive in. First and foremost, you'll want to open Figma in your web browser. If you're not already on the Figma homepage, take a quick moment to navigate there. Once you've arrived, direct your attention to the upper right hand corner where you'll find the Login button. This is your gateway to accessing all your existing projects and tools within Figma. Click on that and you'll be prompted to continue with your credentials. For a seamless login experience, you have the option to continue with Google, which is a convenient choice if you're already integrated into the Google ecosystem. Clicking on this option will streamline your entry into Figma so that you can access your files with minimal fuss. Now that you're logged in, head over to the home screen of Figma. This is where your journey really begins. On the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't done so already. You'll want to click on Design, which will serve as your main workspace where you conduct your creative tasks. Next, it's time to open your design file on your desktop. Simply double-click to access it. This is a crucial step because you'll want to ensure that the file you're working on is both updated and in its proper place for ease of access throughout the project. Now for the exciting part, inserting your images. Locate the images you want to use on your desktop. The simplest way to bring them into Figma is by using the drag and drop method. Select the images and, while holding down your mouse button, drag them over to your open Figma file. Release the mouse button to drop the images directly into your design. It's a straightforward process, but it's essential to pay attention to where you position the images within the workspace for the best results. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to insert images in Figma. Keep in mind that refining your designs with images that truly capture the essence of your vision can make a substantial difference in how they are perceived. This simple yet powerful technique will undoubtedly be a valuable asset in your design toolkit. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.